So today I will be sharing with you the top IMG benefits. So the membership revolution, from do-it-yourself home improvements to self-booking, shopping on eBay and Amazon, and being member of Costco or SNR membership shopping, Landers Superstore membership shopping, SM Advantage, and more. People are learning how to get better deals and save more money on products and services through membership. So in IMG, if you become part of our community, you get educated on all aspects of personal finance, have access to hundreds of financial products and services, receive trainings and support to manage their money, and save money on various products and services. Also, you earn by sharing your know-how with associates in the fast-growing industry. So I will be sharing with you number one, the top benefits of IMG. So once you become part of IMG, we have the same benefit. So kung ano man po yung benefit ko, the same din yung magiging benefit mo. Whether you join today, tomorrow, next month, next year, or in the next 5 or 10 years, we will be having the same benefit. Okay? So, number one benefit is if you want to save and invest, this would be your chance na makapagsimula. As new member, you will instantly have a 1,000 peso PDF savings account, which you can easily convert into Soldibo Fund through Rampber Financials. Alternatively, you can choose to consolidate it with Manila Bankers product or the PDF. So disclaimer, IMG Sites only serves as an access to Rampber Financials. IMG does not sell mutual fund. All mutual funds are sold by Rampber Financial. So basically, we will just be a tool, no? Para makapagsimula kang mag-invest. So we give education, training, support, and at the same time, you can um, apply all your knowledge and start investing through Ramper Financials. Second is you will be having 100,000 personal accident insurance. Automatic po yan once you become part of IMG, right? And aside from that, you will have a memorial insurance through Fidelity Life. So 50,000 memorial insurance subject to underwriting process. Pre-existing medical condition shall be subject to the contestability period within 2 years and must have an active IMG accreditation for continued coverage. So all you have to do is just active your accreditation yearly and all of the benefits na nandito, you will be covered. Then we have the worldwide protection. So number 4 is accidental death, 'di ba? So pag international member ka, you have of course a worldwide protection. So you have accidental death benefit worth 500,000, additional burial benefit of 100,000, accidental medical reimbursement benefit, no? Just in case magkasakit ka, ma-aksidente ka and then you get hospitalized, you have 100,000 na pwedeng ma-reimbursed. Act of terrorism, 600,000, and provoke murder and assault, that's 600,000. Accidental disablement benefit, so lahat po ng parte ng katawan natin, may presyo na po yan. So look at this graph na lang, okay? This poster. So lahat ng benefit natin, lahat ng parte ng katawan natin, may value na po siya. And then of course, the amazing one is the repatriation service. So if that occurs outside the Philippines, we will assist in the repatriation in coordination with Everest Memorial Services. The family may use the death benefit to settle the repatriation expenses. The repatriation service will be provided by Everest Memorial Services and funded by the death benefit of the personal accident insurance, right? So, of course, hassle-free na. And then, number 11 benefit is become an associate financial planner. So, we have an exclusive members prize na 1,000 pesos na lang. Okay? So, first, for IMG members, may 1,500 ka sa start to be an associate financial planner, and then the renewal is 1,000 na lang. Okay, so it is a prestige benefit that we as a financial educator must have this um, certification, no? So as an associate financial planner, bigay po in partnership with the RFP or Registered Financial Planner in the Philippines. Number 12 is the unlimited consultation sa lahat ng mga Kaiser Medical Centers natin across the country. Number 1 is meron tayong SM North EDSA, unlimited consultations tayo dyan. Sa Makati, Robinson's Place Manila, Robinson's Galleria, sa Cavite, SM Santa Rosa, SM San Pablo, Mactan MEPS 1, and SM City Cebu. So these are mga Kaiser Medical Centers where all IMJ members have free consultation. So locate mo na lang kung saang area ka sa Pilipinas. And then of course, 13 is the discounted medical services for members. If you are planning to have a consultations or avail any medical services from all the Kaiser Medical Centers, if you are members, discounted din po tayo. Okay? And discounted medical services for immediate family. So, if you become part of this community and then yung member mo hindi, yung family member mo hindi sila part, no? And of course, ang goal natin is maging party din sila. So they will also have the discount only for immediate family. So bring your family to their annual medical examinations or consultations to monitor their health and fitness and maximize the discounted price in medical services offered by Kaiser Medical Center, especially for your immediate family members. Then, ayan, meron din tayong benefit for our vision, no? So we have the Vision Care, now more accessible to all members worldwide. So we have eyesight, sight for eyes ng De Los Reyes Optical and the Kaiser Medical Center as well. So with multi-coated lens purchase maximum of 2 pairs per year. So meron tayong libreng frames, no? Every year. And of course, legal assistance program. So members have free legal consultation of 45 minutes per session for 2 sessions per year. Exclusive members rate to other legal services. So if you want to avail legal services, libre lang po siya ng 2 sessions with 45 minutes each. And then if you want to push through, no, sa mga legal assistance ng gusto mo, then you can have an exclusive members rate, right? And then number 17 is sharing is caring with Campaign and Protect. So of course, you will have now a chance to give your family members, your friends, your loved ones the 20,000 no na personal accident insurance. So it means pwede kang mamigay no ng 20,000 personal accident insurance as part of our Campaign and Protect. Number 18 is you will have the PDF file of this financial ebook, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. So become your financial educator yourself, and you get ready to transform life-changing insights with this book. No? So lahat po ng natututunan ko, it's because of this book. So lahat po nandyan sa book. No? And we have free financial video. No? So you can also access mga episodes of an inspiring financial educators who have been in this industry for more than 2 decades, no? So, yung mga sharings, testimonies, their journeys, how they become debt-free, paano sila, of course, nabago yung buhay because of this community, then you also have a chance to be inspired, no, of those videos, right? And then libre lang po 'yan, no? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-Netflix, no? So dito ka na ni Netflix, right? And the number 20 is the free financial e-workbook. So ito yung napakaganda, no? So you will have a chance to record all your finances, track all your finances, no? So don't let money control you. Know how to protect, preserve, and make money work for you through the Financial Foundation Education Program exclusive offered to all our IMG members. Number 21 is ito yung workshop. 'Di ba? May workbook ka. So dito mo siya isusulat lahat. Okay? Ito yung mga financial literacy programs natin where each members have a chance to learn, grow, and multiply. So number one is workshop number one is increase cash flow. So ito talaga yung binabayaran natin for our membership. So if you are here watching this video, gusto mong mag-learn doon sa finances mo, you want to increase your cash flow, debt management, then this workshop no will really help you to be guided no sa mga pera na pumapasok at lumalabas po sa inyo. So avail mo lang yan. So we have trainings for that. It's not everyday training, so it could be like once a week training and different workshop po yung i-discuss dyan. Then, building your future and building your strong financial foundation and have a proper protection. Kung naguguluhan ka, no, how to protect yourself in a sudden situation, then this e-workshop number 2 is for you. And then, building wealth and asset accumulation. Gusto mong makapag-build ng wealth, accumulate yung assets. Then, workshop number 3 is for you. Retirement planning and wealth preservation. So, you are worried, no? By the time na magre-retire ka or you are in the retirement stage or you're still young, Gen Z, and then planning to retire early, then you have to attend this workshop number 4. Then number 5, this is extra workshop, no? Bonus na workshop po siya. So, this is building a business in the financial industry. If you want to have an extra opportunity na makapag-earn while you share your knowledge and then curious ka about why a lot of financial advisors, financial educators, curious ka how they make and earn money. So in the financial industry, then this workshop also will give you guidance and ideas on how to do it. So basically, we have 5 workshops na kung saan ma-access mo siya lifetime. So whenever you are in doubt of your finances, you are in doubt of your journey, no, in life, then you can just go back to this workshop. So it's unlimited, but it's not every day. So there will be workshop once a week only. Okay? And then number 26 benefit is the free ebook for insurance licensing examination reviewer. So since we are in the financial industry and then you want to share no some financial products, it's also very important that you will be a license. No, so in partnership with Manila Bankers Life, so we have free ebook for you to read no and review sa mga um, insurance no na mga learnings and insights to ensure your success with the insurance licensing examination reviewer exclusive offer to IMG members no. So pwede ka nang mag-review right now and then later on you will take an exam. Okay, so it's very important no sa financial educator, you need to be have this license as well for you to earn. Then we have a chance to do financial checkup by ourselves and also to our family members and friends as well. So stay financially healthy with ING's exclusive financial check-up. So attaining financial independence is not as difficult as everyone has been made to believe. It's only either you believe you're not in control of your finances or approaching it with the wrong mindset. This financial checkup will help you figure out the source of your financial problem or which mindset or lifestyle you must want to be changed in order to achieve your goals. Okay? And then 28 is access to healthcare products and services. So we have long-term care, short-term care, and senior care in partnership with Kaiser International Health Group, no? So the access to healthcare products and services. So this is where you can share Kaiser because IMG members are exclusive broker of these amazing products. Number 29 is access to life insurance products and services. So you can also share insurance products with Manila Bankers Life and Everest. So life, non-life products, you can share. Motor insurance, fire insurance, you can share. Okay? Number 30 is ito. If you are watching this video and wants to gain knowledge about investments, you will have access to free investment seminars. So outside, you will pay for the registration, but here in IMG, you take advantage of the free investment seminars exclusively provided by Ramper Financials. So grab the opportunity to effectively navigate the stock market and succeed in the investment um, journey. So we have Rampers, my um, mutual fund partners natin is the Soldibo, Atram Equity, BPI Investment Management, FAMI, and Sun Life. So you will have access to this one. Again, it will not be every day, but whenever they have updates, you can access them freely, right? As part of our membership. 31, exclusive to IMG members. Yes, you get the training from this access of free investment seminars. And then, sabi nga natin, it's not about learning alone, no? It's also how to execute your knowledge. So once you get access to free training seminars, you understand, then you need to execute. So once you execute, your investments, so makapag-start ka ng mag-invest, then you will have a zero entry fee on all mutual funds sold by Ramper. So as we know, Ramper is the sole broker of this mutual fund partners, but of course, they're also in the business. So in mutual fund, there will be an entry fee and exit fee. But as an IMG members, mawi-waive na po yan. Right? So disclaimer again, IMG does not sell mutual fund. We only educate and teach you how to do it. Okay? And all mutual funds are sold by Ramper Financials as our partners. Access to stocks online trading platform. So if you are watching this video and wants to get access to direct trading, we have direct trading platforms. So online siya. Our partner will be MyTrade, no, powered by Abacus Securities. So access to stocks online trading platform with free investment guidance, analysis, and updates. Okay, so if you are into trading, no, so this platform will help you and guide you. Again, since this is investment, no, so we want to really understand that IMG, to all our viewers, that IMG is just a tool, an RI to teach you financially. We does not sell mutual fund. All mutual fund are sold by Ramper Financials. So just to make it clear. Number 33 benefit is the Palawan Pawn Shop, no, na membership benefit natin with an exclusive special rate to all IMG members for our payments facility in all our IMG transactions. So pay your membership fee, premiums, and many more through Palawan Express, pera padala with a special rate, right? 34 is the Memorial Concierge Service. So we have free Memorial Concierge Service powered by Everest Memorial Solutions. So Memorial Services. So this is the first 24/7 Memorial Concierge Service in the Philippines. Okay? 35 benefit is the marketplace. So this is where our online shopping must go on. Okay? So we have in partners with, if you want to buy and sell, platforms that offer savings and great deals on real estates, brand new and pre-owned cars, healthcare products, life and non-life insurances products, merchandise, IMG merchandise, and more. So nandito lahat sa ating marketplace. Okay? 36, IMG movies. So immerse yourself in the wealth of financial education and become a beacon of hope, shaping brighter futures for countless Filipinos. So enjoy exclusive access to videos where powerful financial insights can empower Filipino families worldwide. So you have all those access. Seize the opportunity to transform your financial future with IMG movies where knowledge become power. Of course, you can also share that movies, no? Discounts. So, ang daming discounts. So, save your money on your non-life insurances. Sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? So, use the members vouchers to enjoy preferred rates. Disclaimer, both assurance is a brand name of IMG. It is not non-life insurance provider. So, Bolt is an IMG brand where you get the insurance through Manila Bankers Assurance. 38 is member savings on real estate purchases. So we have Ramper Realty, SMDC, Ayala Land, DMCI Homes, no? So have you been dreaming of moving to a bigger house? Maybe this is the opportunity for you. 39 is the APX, no, or Asset Preservation Service. Protect your assets by creating your own corporations through IMG at the members' exclusive price. So if you are planning to create a corporations within your families, then this benefit will be for you. 40 is the auto program. Get huge of savings and personalized assistance and enjoy a hassle-free car purchase experience. Any brand, any model, anywhere in the Philippines, right? Number 41. So we have rewards, no? So if you want to shift your career, start with a new ventures of your journey in life, so rewards is for you. So this benefit is for you. So be in the financial industry, own your business. So if you want to own business, this is real, no? So become a financial educator on your time, help families become debt free, and it's an online system. So achieve the income you want. So discover the world of financial industry and become your own financial educator as well. Create a business from this field while managing your time freely. Build a strong community and help people develop a strong financial foundation. Become debt free and make more money, and individuals attain financial independence, independent life. 'Di ba? So, may hint ka na. So number 42 is travel the world. If you are planning, no, when you retire and gusto mo nang mag-travel the world just for vacations and leisure, then IMG is for you. So we have different trips across the globe where you can join. Number 43 is, of course, you will be recognized. So in this financial industry, um, the number of people you help will signifies the pins that you carry. So, ayan, yan yung mga pins natin. Number 44 is, of course, you will get a world-class recognition. We have SMD Watch for you and for your spouse. So, all you have to need is to qualify. Okay? Imagine, no? Libreng watch. And then number 45 is, of course, the world rings, no? So, meron tayong $100,000 na Ring Club and Millionaire Hall of Fame. So, different colors signifies different amount of money that you earned in this industry. Number 46 is world-class recognition again with Builders Rolex watch. So, all you have to do is i-qualify mo lang, right? You have a chance to have a Rolex na libre. 'Di ba? Number 47 is, of course, you get a chance to have a free cars as well. And then free HMO coverage for all MDs and SMDs and executives, no? So, may libre ka ng HMO. And then 49 is we have our online tools, no? So, kasi nasa online na tayo today. So, of course, kailangan natin ma-take advantage din yun. So, we have powerful membership portal available anytime, anywhere. We have daily whoosh letters, and emails, no? So, para updated ka. And we have our money platform. We call it NeuroCash. So it's an IMG e-wallet facility where you receive IMG commissions and payments, pay bills through the kiosk, transfer funds, request check for pickup at IMG office, balance transfer to another NeuroCash account, and cash in through IMG. Conveniently, right? 52 is Dominate tool. We have 9 powerful features of Dominate. We have funnel pages, email marketing, affiliate links, live webinars, pre-recorded webinars. We have surveys, events, stat reports, and mentors. So these are our digital marketing platform. 53 funnel pages. So you can create a funnel pages. Create your own website in just 3 steps. Diba? May website ka na. 54 is a powerful feature of email marketing. New welcome emails and customized follow-up invite emails available. No, so allows you to build relationships with leads, customers, and past customers as well. 55 is affiliate links. So we have special URL for the products that is attached with your agent code. So very easy, no? 56 is powerful features number 56 is that lets you tailor your content on the spot, on the exact needs of your audience. So, live webinars, no? So, may mga live webinars tayo. Then, number 57 is the pre-recorded webinar. So, we also have the pre-recorded, no? So, lets you present without the pressure of a live audience. Online tools, we have survey. So, custom forms to know more about our clients, events, meron din tayong events, stat report where you can just generate your report. Don't expect if you don't inspect. 61, we have our mentors, so free short courses from our dominant mentors and many more. Number 62 is exclusive money platform for all international members. So you can get your Visa card. So this co-branded Visa card is globally accepted payment platform that enables IMG holders to receive their commissions, make purchase, withdraw cash from ATMs, and conduct online transactions with ease and security. Its widespread acceptance make it a convenient platform providing access to funds and facilitating transactions in numerous currencies worldwide. 63 is the exclusive events. So you can also attend exclusive events in the different parts of the globe and be recognized for your achievements. 64 is exclusive run and contest. So we have different runs and contests across the globe. Nakadepende siya based on the country you are in. And of course, we have the business program, so ownership program, if you would like also to earn extra income. So these are the income projections. So for the purpose of example, helping one family a week is in a result of 24,000 income. So if you're an associate, ang ginawa mo lang is nag-join ka sa community, you get your own products, and now you can share. So let's say 20K, nakapag-sale ka ng one product worth 30K times 20%, that's 6,000. So if you sold one product a week, a result of 24,000 in a month. If you do it consistently every month, you will have a chance to have an extra income of 288,000 per month. Now, all you have to do is get a higher compensation to 37% up to 47%. Okay? So SMD based income, no? So ayan, if you're an associate, MD, SMD, then you have the potential. So we will discuss this promotion or business ownership program once you become part of IMG. Okay? Para at least you will be guided throughout ano ba yung mga pwedeng maging potential na gawin mo. So what if you have the following, no? And then generation overrides. So mas maiintindihan niyo yan once you become part of IMG kasi i-discuss po yan fully. So, all right. So that would be all the benefit of international marketing group. And if you have questions, clarifications, or while watching this video, you are now ready to be part of this community. So all you have to do is communicate the person who sent you this video and back to them and ask them paano ka makapagsimula para at least makapag-start ka na rin your IMG journey. And once again, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share para mas marami tayong matutulungan 'no at ma-inform na mga OFWs across the world. Thank you once again and good luck to your journey.